Hello, I'm Ron. Welcome to my garden. This is a young Bramley apple tree. As you can see, it's this type of tree is called a feathered maiden. It's just beginning to develop its side shoots. When we buy a young tree stock, particularly for this, we're looking for a good straight stem with the feathers or branches evenly spaced. The time to plant these is when the tree is dormant, so this was put in a little while ago before the buds started to sprout, as you can see. The next stage we want to do after planting this tree and staking it, and you can see it's got two ties to support it top and bottom, we're now going to put on a spiral guard which will protect it from rabbits or even cats scratching the bark. As you can see, when we put the guard on, we start winding it from the bottom upwards, and they're fairly adaptable, these, because they will go either side of the ties and then they close up and support themselves virtually. Perhaps next year or the year after, this will be rechecked to make sure that it's not restricting the trunk in any way. It's very important in the first season after planting to make sure that it's regularly watered, because those young roots are quite near the surface, so they've got to be kept moist until it can produce its own deeper roots and look for water further down. So now you can see this is the way we protect trees from animal pests, and as a general rule it's a good practice whenever you plant any tree to put some kind of guard round it. In some cases it could be just a ring of wire, chicken wire, as a circle round it. Commercially they also use special tubes called Thule tubes, which decompose, and they're biodegradable plastic, and so they just fall apart after about 5 years.